Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the best discount promo code for Adanola, then this video is for you. So first you have to go to the coupon follow. You can follow this URL here, that couponfollow.com/site/adanola.com, where you can find the updated coupon codes, and here is the details about the discount that you will get using this promo code. So simply click on this show promo code button and it will reveal the promo code here. So simply click on copy button here, so it will copy this entire code on your clipboard and you can use whenever you are going to shop on the Adanola. So the second website is simplycourse.com. So you can go to the simplycourse.com/store/adanola.com and it will lead you to this page where you can find some verified coupon code here, and here you can find the success rate here. So you can simply click on view code to watch out this code here, the entire code, and copy this code on your clipboard and you can use it if you want. So another website is glamourmagazine.co.uk. So you can follow this URL, like glamourmagazine.co.uk/discount code/Adanola, where you can also find some discounts link that is associated with that button here, and it is also verified, and you can also find some coupon codes. So simply click on this button here to reveal the coupon code. Here it is. Now copy this button, use this copy button, and you can use it on your Adanola website. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.